Hey guys, welcome to the another interesting video of Microsoft Excel, and in this video we are going to learn ACOSH function. And basically ACOSH function falls under math and trigonometry. And what exactly it does, so it's basically returns the inverse hyperbolic cosine of a number. Okay, and whenever you want to calculate your ACOSH value, you just have to make sure that your value it should be is equal to 1 or higher, because if it's a 0 or minus value, then you will not be able to calculate the correct ACOSH value. So how exactly you can calculate this particular value of let's 1, 5 and 10? So the formula is very simple, guys. You just have to simply type is equal to, and then you could see I have got the ACOSH value. Let's double click on that. And then you can simply type in the bracket that is 1, and then complete the bracket. You got the result. Now similarly, if you don't want to select type it manually, in this case you type the formula again, which is equal to ACOSH, and the bracket gets automatically open as function. And you can see here you got the reference. Now here you will have to mention the number. So previously we have entered name number manually, but in this time let's say you have multiple values for which you would like to generate the ACOSH result. So you can simply select that particular cell and then complete the bracket. Okay, when that is done, then enter. Now if I just simply double click on that, you can see I got the value of this particular number. So similarly, let's say here I'm going to add more value, drag and drop, right? Now if I double click here, you can see I'm getting getting the value of all the results. This is how you will be able to calculate ACOSH value in Microsoft